to get all the old stuff off to see the condition of the boards underneath, if anything needs replacing. So the worst bit of rot is just there. But I'm not going to do too much about that. I'm just going to put some strengthening boards down the side of that joist there. Otherwise, there was one board in the top that was rotten. Another one there, maybe a little bit. I've got to get some bags and bag up this rubbish here before I carry on. But as I expected, really, the roof is much better than it appears to be. Because it's a very airy system that it gets wet but it dries out very quickly. So there might be so that damage there is done by ants. This is the north facing side of the roof. So the drying process here has been much slower. So there's some water rot, wet rot, and some insect damage. The insects tend to like wood that's slightly humid. So I can see that there's a joist, a roof joist there that's damaged, and in order to do that I'm going to have to take up a fair bit of this, and it's not such a bad thing in a way, because at the same time I can sort out this problem with the saddle roof, the saddleback roof. If you remember in an earlier film, we tried to cure that by putting in a what is it called? That's also it's called in Norwegian. So I'm going to carry on ripping out some of this, but I will take the minimum I can. I don't want to take it all the way to the end if I don't have to, but I think I might have to. We'll see. This is typical ant damage. So this has been a very big ant's nest here. It's taken advantage of a hole in the roof. It's been trapping moisture, and there's been a veritable feast for all kinds of different bugs. This is all insect damage. Well, a little bit of wet rot. That's wet rot there. That's what wet rot looks like. But most of this is insect damage because of high humidity on the north side. Typical. So they've excavated large amounts. Now there should be a beam here, you see. That's the supporting beam for the roof. So I'm going to have to build. Going to have to take off the cladding there and make one that goes underneath to support the old one, and probably one that goes on top as well. So it'll be a kind of a double repair there. So I have to just keep on taking off boards until I come to fresh timber.